Ever looked up at the night sky, at those pinpricks of light, and wondered, what if? What if we could reach them, not just dream about them? What if the future wasn't just on Earth, but among the stars? And more importantly, what if that future could also be a smart investment? We're not talking about some far-flung sci-fi fantasy. Space travel, and the businesses built around it, are becoming increasingly real. And that's why spaceship, or rather, the broader space industry, is starting to look like a seriously compelling investment opportunity. Let's rewind a bit. For decades, space exploration was the domain of governments. Expensive, slow, and often tied to political agendas. But things have changed dramatically. Private companies are now leading the charge, driven by innovation and a hunger for profit. We're seeing reusable rockets, satellite internet constellations, and even plans for space tourism. This isn't just about sending people to Mars, it's about building a sustainable, profitable space economy. So, why is it a good investment? First, consider the sheer scale of the potential market. We're talking about everything from satellite communication and navigation, which are already integral to our daily lives, to asteroid mining and space manufacturing, which could revolutionize entire industries. Think about the need for faster, more reliable global internet. Think about the potential of extracting rare earth minerals from asteroids, or manufacturing pharmaceuticals in the unique microgravity environment of space. The opportunities are vast, and they're growing exponentially. Second, technological advancements are driving down costs. Reusable rockets, for example, have drastically reduced the price of launching payloads into orbit. This makes space ventures more accessible and opens the door to a wider range of commercial applications. Lower launch costs mean more businesses can participate, and more businesses mean more innovation and growth. Third, the space industry is attracting significant private investment. Venture capital firms, angel investors, and even large corporations are pouring money into space-related startups. This influx of capital is fueling innovation and accelerating the development of new technologies. We're seeing companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Rocket Lab paving the way and demonstrating that space is not just possible, but profitable. Fourth, space is becoming increasingly integrated with other industries. Think about the data collected by satellites. It's used in agriculture, environmental monitoring, disaster response, and countless other applications. Space technology is becoming an essential part of our infrastructure, and that integration is only going to deepen. Now, it's important to be realistic. Investing in the space industry is not without its risks. It's a high-tech, capital-intensive sector, and many ventures are still in their early stages. There will be failures along the way, and not every company will succeed. But the potential rewards are enormous, and the long-term trends are undeniable. Of course, you don't need to invest in building a rocket to participate. There are now publicly traded companies focused on satellite technology, launch services, and space infrastructure. You can also invest in funds and ETFs that specialize in the space sector, giving you diversified exposure to the industry. Think of it like this: the internet was once a niche technology, but it transformed the world. Space is on a similar trajectory. It's not just about exploring the cosmos, it's about building a new frontier for business and innovation. And while there are risks, the potential rewards are astronomical. It's an opportunity to invest in the future, a future where humanity is not confined to one planet, but a multi-planetary species. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.